It's Mental Health Awareness Month, and this morning we're highlighting an organization that's been encouraging young people to put their mental wellness first for nearly 15 years. Born This Way Foundation was co-founded in 2012 by Lady Gaga and her mother, Cynthia Germanotta. As president, Cynthia connects with young people all over the world to create programs and share resources to inspire change in the mental health space. Cynthia Germanotta joins me now. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yes. Now tell us more about the foundation and why you and your daughter started it.
Yeah, so Born This Way Foundation, it's more than a foundation. It's a movement that was inspired by my daughter's mental health struggles and some very authentic conversations that she had with young people around the world who had similar experiences. And what they were lacking was more supportive and kind environments and resources. And so we got to work at Born This Way Foundation providing that. We engage youth through multiple platforms that elevate their stories and their perspectives, and we connect them to accessible resources.
That's fantastic. The foundation just released a report about the impact of your work. So what did you find?
Yes, so this was our 12-year actual on Leap Day anniversary this year, and we announced our 2023 impact report, which showed remarkable growth in the use of our services, millions of acts of kindness pledged, over 40,000 young people taking peer-based training, the Be There certificate. So of course it showed some really remarkable growth, but most importantly, it highlights the voices and the stories of youth, and that is so inspirational to me because we have always been centered on the youth voice and wanted to elevate that in our work. And you know, interestingly, some people are saying that we're talking too much now about mental health in society, when in fact what we're hearing and learning from young people is we're not talking about it enough. We're not prioritizing it enough in our communities, and so we're working hard every day to make that happen and bring resources to them.
And let's talk about the Be There certificate, because I think this is such a great idea, because it's all about education.
It is, which is lacking uniformly in schools. There is some, but we've learned through our research that when young people are in a mental health crisis, they prefer to turn to one another, but they don't have the resources. So we worked with young people and a partner in Canada called jack.org to develop the Be There certificate, first online certified certificate. It's available in English, French, and Spanish. But what it does is it gives young people the language and the confidence to talk about mental health. It teaches you how to ask the right questions, how to listen, how to connect and direct people to resources. So we are very excited about this resource, which just continues to grow.
And what are your hopes for the future of the foundation?
My hopes for the future, honestly, are what they were from the beginning. I mean, we knew we had a challenging mission because mental health was a cultural change, a behavioral shift to build kind environments that are mentally healthier and safer for young people. So that's my continued wish, is that young people embrace this mission, that they own it, and that they have the proper tools and skills and resources to thrive, and that we work collaboratively, whether it's in the nonprofit, corporate, any space really, to provide them what they need and to listen to them, not only through conversations about their needs, but also solutions.
That's so true. Cynthia, thank you so much for all the work that you and your daughter and the foundation do. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, and thank you for highlighting it on your show. Appreciate it.